Hello my friends, how are you all keeping? I just wanted to share with you my latest tutorial. It's on Patreon. I thought you might like to see this very subtle, very atmospheric, very moody little landscape that we did for Patreon. I just wanted to show you what we did. Here we are. Lovely, subtle tones. A nice little landscape capturing light and shade, lots of rich colours and complementary colours. So lots of blues, pinks, coming down to warm yellows, greens, and a very rich burst of yellow right there with the palette knife. I think that's lovely. I just finished this on Patreon. If you're interested, pop over and take a look. If you're into this kind of thing and you want to create nice loose artwork, this is the painting for you. I'm really happy with it. I think it turned out very nice. Lots of freestyle, just kind of flicking the brush around, just being very loose and softening with the soft brush into the background. I think that looks really lovely, and hints of pink here and there throughout the painting. I think it really stands out nice, doesn't it? So I'm going to frame this now. I think this will be lovely in a big frame. So I just wanted to share this with you, all right? It's over on Patreon if you want to pop over and just take a look. I just like to keep you updated on what I'm doing on Patreon, just to give you an idea of what's over there as well. So look, if you wish to support me, which I do sincerely thank you for, pop over and take a look at that. That's a really nice one. It's just finished. It'll be on my page in the next couple of hours. So there we go. I'll have another lovely landscape coming up for you, my friends, on YouTube in the next day or so. A lovely, lovely little scene. I won't give too much away. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.